The airline staff is inviting passengers to board the plane at Gate 12 now. They are making announcements to ensure everyone is ready. If you have special needs, they are requiring you to approach the staff for assistance. You can find them at the check-in desk near the entrance. This is a regular procedure for all flights to ensure a smooth boarding process. Please have your boarding pass ready.
Scientists have made a new material designed to clean polluted water effectively. This innovation is a breakthrough in environmental technology. The material can absorb harmful chemicals, leaving the water safe for use. This process helps protect aquatic ecosystems.
The pandemic created an urgent situation, prompting unprecedented contribution to bolster the health system, reform the pharmaceutical sector, and distribute relief throughout the country.
A new dining spot has just opened in the city, attracting many food lovers. It's called Bella's Kitchen and is gaining popularity quickly. This restaurant offers a menu with a variety of international dishes to choose from. Many customers find the options very interesting and unique. The owner of the place, Bella, has years of experience in the culinary world. It's located in the downtown area, making it a convenient spot for everyone.
Critics argue that using push money to boost green bond sales fails to address core climate issues and may slow sustainable development in emerging markets. Modern developers are incorporating art into their projects to make buildings more attractive. This trend is becoming popular in the real estate industry. For example, they often include a sculpture in the lobby to create a unique atmosphere. A recent graduate from an art school was hired to design these pieces. Her profession as an artist allows her to contribute creatively to architecture. Her work is considered highly professional and has impressed many clients.
The university hosts a journalist program for new students to help them adjust to campus life. It includes tours, workshops, and meetings with advisors. This event helps students feel more comfortable before classes start. It's an important first step for their academic journey.
The new mobility program specifies the required qualification standards, evaluates cultural competence for cross-border roles, measures candidate energy levels to sustain productivity, and tests their ability to distribute tasks across multiple locations. The science textbook has a section dedicated to climate change and its effects. It explains how various elements impact the environment. One key factor discussed is the rise in global temperatures over the years. This has led to melting ice caps and rising sea levels. The contribution of human activity, such as deforestation, is also highlighted in the chapter. These insights help students understand the importance of sustainability.
Many universities offer subsidies for summer research to maintain an average stipend, while career centers oversee placement rates to secure industrial experience for graduates.
During the summer, the ice cream shop has the same number of customers every day. People love its delicious flavors. It's the favorite spot for many families in town because of its variety. The shop is always busy in the afternoons, especially on weekends. It stays open for long hours to serve everyone who comes by. On average, they earn about $1 per hour per customer.